Hi guys, this is Rahul and welcome to gomahamaya.com. In this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram ads through Facebook Ads Manager account and redirect your customer from Instagram to your website, Facebook URL or to any of your Instagram page. So let's get started. Now, the first step for creating your ads is to go to this URL business.facebook.com/ads manager and click on enter. And once you are inside this area, you have to click on create, and next you have to create your campaign. For that you have to set your campaign objective. So for more understanding of the objective, you can read this documentation that is from Meta itself, and they have written each and everything. For awareness, this is the example, and for traffic, when you can create traffic, you want create a flash sale for your website and etc etc. For that you can create a traffic. And for engagement, when you should create engagement, I'm going to drop this link inside the description box. You can reach, but all the things is not necessary here. If you choose any of the options, let's say sales, app promotions, lead, you need to verify those things. Verification will be there. That is going to take a lot of time. So if you want to create a simple Instagram ads, you need to create on awareness. So this is not going to ask you many things. Verify this XYZ, what's up, verify that, verify this. They're not going to ask you much. So I'm going to choose awareness, and once you click on awareness, you click on continue. And once you are inside that area, you need to write down the campaign name. Let's say you want to create it for Instagram page XYZ page ads. Campaign name is that you want to give for that campaign. And next, you don't need to do anything here. You have to select awareness. That is the only objective here. You need to select. If you want to change it, click edit and change this value. You can move to traffic, engagement, lead, apps, chart, sales. So what are the option you want, you can select, but in my recommendation I'll recommend you to select awareness if you want to create ads for the people in easy steps. Next, click on next. And now once you are inside the second option, you can enter here the details of your budget. Next, you can enter the audience, and next you can choose a placement. So these are the details are there inside the second page. So first I'll write down the name to this ad set. You can write anything. Let's say it's gomahamaya.com. And next you have an option to select a page. Click here and select the page for which you want to run the ads. So make sure that page is connected to your account, then only you can see that page here. So you must have permission as an advertiser, or you must have a permission of admin, or you must have a permission of manager to run the ads for that particular page. Once you are done, go down. Now we'll select the budget, daily budget or lifetime budget. That lifetime budget means you spend 1000 rupees, that is $12 to $13 for this complete campaign. Okay, and daily budget will be $10, or you can write 680 800 rupees in INR. Next option we have is start date and the end date. If you want to edit the start date, you just click on it and change the start date. I want to start it from the 26th, and then click here, and there's no pop-up like timing change. You need to manually enter. Let's say I want to enter 09, and this is the time zone, Pacific time. Similarly, you have option to uncheck this one and check this one, end time. End time means every day it will run a budget of 800 from 26th of 1 2023 9 AM, and there's no end date. So if you want to end the ad on 27, 28, So till 28 is going to invest 800 or like to 1600 they are going to invest. You can mention the timing here. Let's say I want 12 till 12 p.m. I want. After that this ad will get over. Next option you have is audience. Inside audience you have two options. Either you can create a new audience for this particular ads, or you can use a saved audience. As you are new to this ad, you first create a new audience, then in future one you can import that audience, because your product will be similar and your targeting will be similar. So no need to create this particular audience, because most of your time is going to be invested inside the audience section. So to save the times, we are going to build a custom audience section. So inside audience, first option we have is location. So to enter the location, you should know where you want to target. Before that, and what is their last behavior of their location. So if you click here, you can see the people living in this area in the location, people living in this location, people recently in this location, people traveling in this location. So let's say if you are selling a product related to service, and if you choose this one, that means if I am in Dubai, many people comes to Dubai and I'm selling a bag. If he sees my product online, he's not going to order it, because he will be there in Dubai for 1 or 2 days. So it's going to waste my money. Similarly, you have to choose the perfect one. Let's say for this one, if someone visited Thailand, you want to show ads like you recently visited Thailand, would you like to visit Singapore? So this is the way you can create an ad and the custom location. So best option is to select the people living in the location for the e-commerce site. Click on search location. You have to enter the location where you want to target. Let's say I want to target the India, and apart from that, where you want to target. Let's say I want to target Dubai too. So Dubai Arab Emirates. Now I'm going to target these two sections, and there is an option to add a diameter. Let's say if you click on Dubai, you can see there's like section. I want to target only 6 kilometer of this radius or 35 kilometer range of this radius. You can add multiple options. Let's say this is Dubai, you add Sharjah and add their kilometers. You add Abu Dhabi, Ras Al Khaimah. These are the locations you can add and target based on the radius. Now, how to exclude the area which you do not want to target? These are the areas that you want to target, but we have an exclusion part that I don't want to target that particular area. Let's say if you are targeting India, inside India, I want to exclude, there's like Mumbai. Let's say I'll go to this one, click exclude and type Mumbai, Maharashtra, and you can see the map. Now you can see that we are targeting India, but we are excluding Mumbai, and there's a radius which you can manage. So this is how you can exclude a city inside the targeted area, and you can manage the radius by going to this option. And next, one more option is that if you have included it, you go to this option and say exclude location. So this location will be excluded from your targeting point. Once you are done, scroll down and you'll see age factor. So you have to think, for the product you are running ads, what age people they mostly use. Let's say if I am running ads for hosting company, and I don't think so 18 below 18 or like 20 plus guy only going to host their website. They, after 20 only they want to be entrepreneur. So I'll make it 20, and I don't want 65 plus. I want to target only young people, those who involves in these things. So I'm going to choose 55. 20 to 25, 55 for me it's fine. So you have to think what age people they mostly do shopping. And next option is gender. So you have to select male or female. So if you are running any ads for fashion industries, then why you want to target for the men? Okay, that's fine when you are selling some watches, when you are selling something for a gift item, you have to hit him. If you target a man, then you have to hit him that why don't you give this for your girlfriend, why don't you give for your wife. Like that you can create ads based on that. You can target gender. So there are like many concepts behind selecting genders. And next, for me, these both the targeting area are fine. So next option, I want to go ahead with the detailed targeting. This is really important. You have to add interest. So you have to understand, you have to keep understanding of the product. Let's say I'm selling a hosting. So I'll type hosting first, web hosting. Okay, fine. This is my first interest. Let's say the guy who is interested in hosting, he must be interested in Bluehost. So you can write down the company name also, like Bluehost, GoDaddy, and you may include influencer, the people those who are teaching related to these interests. Let's say GoDaddy, hosting, XYZ. You can, let's say I want to add Neil Patel. So the people those who are interested in Neil Patel, GoDaddy, they might be interested in my product. So this is the concept I'm teaching you. So based on that you can add, let's say if I'm interested in shoes, if I'm interested in anything related to women bags, I'll target the brands. Of course I'm going to write down people those who are interested in shoes, but I'll target brands also. I'm going to write down the name of the influencer who work on these things. So this is the detailed one. You have to invest your time in doing research and add the most relevant topic. Don't include anything which is non-relevant, or else you're going to burn your cash. Now for excluding, you need to choose exclude option and write down the interests and their behavior. The people those who are college people, I don't want to target them. I don't want to target school girls, I don't want to target school boys. Like that you can filter. Even you can filter based on their age, gender, their working conditions. So even you can filter based on their location. So you can exclude those people from this area. One of the most important thing you should exclude while creating the audience is the job. When I was running the ads for my clients, the most important issue I faced, my keywords is related to job, career. I don't want to sell a product to the people those who are looking for jobs. So you go to this option, write down jobs. It's not a Steve Jobs dude, it's job. Okay, fine. The person who is interested in jobs or the career will be excluded from my audience. And then actually not a purchaser, they are looking for the job. If you are running ads for the job, you should target that person who is looking for job. I don't want. So most of the time, as my experience says, you burn your cash when you choose a interest as a job. So you must exclude it. Now scroll down and choose the last option, that is language. You may create a filter based on the language the people they speak. Let's say I want to target the people who speaks only English. So I'll choose English all UK. So English all for me, it's fine. And you may target some local audience based on their language. If your ads in some local language, you can target that people who speaks that particular language. Let's say I want to target Spanish. Fine. Once you add this effort in adding these concepts, you can choose save this audience to save the time for the future campaigns. This is the only thing going to consume a lot of time from your side. Once you create these, you can save your time. So click on save this audience. Now write down the name of the audience. So these are the audience, location is this much, exclude location is this much, language is this much, the people they are interested in these things. So hosting ads. So this is my audience name. If I'll click on save, if I'll move up, I can see inside the saved audience there are like two options, Zenko and the hosting ads. If we'll hover over this, you can see what are the detail inside that, and now you can target those people. Instead of creating a long thing, you just move to this one and choose your targeted audience. Fine, I'm going to choose my hosting ads. Next, you have an option for the manual placement. So for manual placement, you have an option to choose the platform and create filter. Never go for advantage plus placement. This is not recommended, as the Facebook said, but don't listen to them. This place is only to burn your money. You're not going to deliver your ads in the appropriate place, because some of the place the people just like watch videos and they're not interested in the product, like as per my recommendation. So we are going to choose a manual placement, and even you can create a filter based on the device. You want this ad to work on mobile, you want the ad to work on desktop. So I don't need the device option now. Next option, you have Facebook audience, audience network, Instagram and the messenger. And the people, those who only wants to target Instagram, must uncheck these options. And when you choose Instagram, you should have an Instagram page connected to that particular page. Now if you'll scroll down, you'll see an option of feeds. Like Facebook feed is unchecked because we have selected only Instagram here, and Instagram feed is enabled. Instagram profile feed is enabled, where my ads will be displayed like this. Next, Instagram Explore home. So these are the things where my ads is going to be displayed. Even it's going to display in the Instagram stories. You can uncheck some of the options which you don't like. Next option we have is reels. You can uncheck the option which you don't like. And now once you are done with these things, you just need to click on next. And here again you need to write down the name for this ad set. So I'm going to write down hosting ads. Next option we have is to select the page. So I told you, you have to select the page, Facebook page, that is necessary, and it should be connected to your Instagram account. If you haven't connected any of your Instagram account with your Facebook page, you can watch this video, or you can skip next 30-second video if you know how to connect Facebook page with your Instagram page. To connect your Facebook page to your Instagram account, you need to click on manage, and inside manage you'll find link accounts. So once you are inside, you click on connect account and then click on connect. Now click on allow access to Instagram inbox, click confirm, and now log into your Instagram account, click login. Save information, not now. Now you'll get a message that Instagram is connected to this particular page. Click on done, and once you're done, go back to your ad page manager. So once you select that Facebook page, your Instagram page will be automatically fetched up here. Now scroll down, and inside ad setup we have option to image or video ads, or the carousel you want to target for that. So currently I'm going to choose a single image or the videos. Now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to delete this one. This is the place where you add media which is necessary for running the ads in this area. Here you can see the preview of the ads. Go to add media, go to video or the image you have, click on upload, and now you have an option to select a file. You can directly drag and drop the file from your computer. I have created this particular video for my ads. I'll click open, and they are going to process my video. And once this is done, click on next. You can see the preview of a video. I'll choose 9:16 for the Instagram, and I'm going to use the 1:1 recommended. This is basically for based on the sizes, they recommend you the video size. Next, click on done. Now they are processing my video. Once the video is processed, you can see the display, how it's going to look inside the feed option and how it's going to look inside the reels options. So we have different profile feed, and next we have Explorer home. If it's not showing proper, you can remove that placement. Go back to this option and remove this Explorer home, and your ads will be perfect in all the areas. Once you are done with this, scroll down, and next we have one of the important thing, that is text. You need to enter the primary text such as DM2 orders, Black Friday sales, or XYZ, something you can write it here. DM2. I'm going to type connect with expert, DM us. So this is the primary text that I'm going to write here, and you can see this is going to be look like this. And next option we have is add destination. Click on that. So once you click on that add destination, you can write down the headline, Black Friday sales, and that going to become at this point heading, and then we have option for destination. I want it to send it to my website. Here the verification of website, adding pixel, XYZ stories will not be there. So I'm going to write down my website name, that is gomahamaya.com. And once the people they click on it, they get redirected to my website. You can even write down your Facebook page. Let's say gomahamaya, like facebook.com/gomahamaya. You can even write down your Instagram page, that is instagram.com/Instagram. And when the people they click on it, they get redirected to your Instagram or Facebook page, the URL which you gave in the website option. You just enter the URL, and once you are done, you don't need to do anything apart from that. Just click on publish, or you can go to advanced preview and see how your ads are going to perform in all these areas. Next, cancel this and click on publish. So finally, in the last, I want to teach you one more thing, that is you go to all tools. In this area you'll find audience in this area, or you need to search it from the audience in this area under the advertise option. If you'll click on audience, you'll see all your audience here, and you can manage it by clicking on any of the audience. Let's say I want to click on hosting ads, and there you can see the users, like where you're using, history and action. You can edit it, create ads and delete it with using this audience. So I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. And if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.